So I have everything out of the box. We have 4 legs. We have 2 tall legs, same height. These two are the same height. One has 3 connection points, 1, 2, 3. The other one has 2. Okay. The one with 3 connection point goes to your left hand side. The one with 2 goes to your right. All right. Okay. And we are going to connect that with the longest crossbar. This is the crossbar. It also has 3. This has 3 connectors for your toms and your hi-hat or cymbal. Okay, this is the longest crossbar. Look, this crossbar has a groove. If you look closely, it has a groove. Make sure this connection point is facing you. Okay, so we are going to connect that. Yeah. Okay, there you go. And you take your Allen key and tighten it. All right, here we go. We have it tightened. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, it's very light. All right, now we have 2 shorter legs. Now all the legs have the shoe on them, so this is how you can tell it's a leg. Okay, the 2 short legs have only 1 connector on each side, on each end. All right, so we take the 2 legs. Okay, we have 2 other crossbars, smaller crossbars here. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using to connect our legs to the main frame. All right, so take 1 crossbar and I will be connecting it to this leg like that. Okay. Okay, you can loosen it up to push this down a little bit. Okay, there we have it. And now this connection will go in here. Like that. And grab your Allen key. Tighten it up. You can adjust as you like, twisting it. All right, so this is how it looks like. We have the shorter leg connected now to the main frame. Okay, there's 1 more leg here that goes on the left hand side. Remember, the left hand side has 3 connectors. 1, 2, and then a 3 on the top. Okay. All right. So we are going to be connecting this shorter leg to the second connector So the top one goes on the top bar, and then we have the second one and the third. The third one is with the snare, so make sure you connect to the second. All right. We have another short crossbar here. Okay, so I have that connected. And we can go ahead and use our Allen key to tighten it down. All right, there we go. So this is what we have. This is how it looks like after you have that assembled. And you can adjust it as you like. All right. And lastly, we have one small bar here. This is a crossbar. This goes in the third connector here on the left stand. This is for your snare. All right. And again, you can adjust this as you like. It also has a groove. Okay, use your Allen key to tighten it. Okay, so once you have that done, this is how it's going to look like. So next, we have these hooks here for your toms. Okay, so 2 toms will be here. This is how you fix that. Okay, and again, you can adjust it as you like and tighten it up. All right. Okay, there's another one here. This is for your floor tom. So tom 1, tom 2, your floor tom. All right. Okay, so let me just put one of the toms. This is a tom right here. And you have this connecting hole. Okay, there you go. Second one, same. All right, so we have our two toms installed. And again, you can adjust and tighten as you like. Okay, this is your hi-hat. We have these hi-hat stands. Okay. All right, you have one connector here to use for your hi-hat. Tighten. Okay. All right, this is the hi-hat itself. Okay. All right, so we have the hi-hat installed there. So if you look at a hi-hat stand, there's a little knob. All right, this little knob here. Make sure this groove here on the hi-hat lines up with our knob when you install it. Okay. All right. So the rest is just the same, follow the same similar process to install the rest of the hi-hat stands and also the Sigma. There you go.